Hey guys, hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, have your bell notification on and all that good stuff. Okay, so in this video we are going to be rocking this natural hairstyle. Okay, I know it's been a while since I've done like natural hairstyling, but we're back. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Alright, so I'm starting out on hair that is freshly washed, moisturized, and all that good stuff. And I've been wearing it in a bun for a hot minute. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just putting the rest of the hair in the back and splitting my hair in front, and then I'm gonna split it in the middle. Okay, that's how I'm gonna start with the hairstyle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and split one side because I want to work with one side first. Split that in two, have my lines all together. And then after I'm satisfied with the line, I'm just gonna go ahead and start working with the front. So this is a really easy hairstyle, guys. You know how I am. I like easy hairstyles. Okay, I'm using not eco style. I'm using shine and jam to do this hairstyle, but you can use any kind of jam you have, gel, whatever works for your hair type, guys. Use it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a rubber band. So I'm splitting it into 3 parts. Okay, you want to make sure that your rubber bands are not that tight. Okay, and because you don't want to get no headaches. Okay, and it's not good for your hair. Okay, so when I have it all together, I'm just twisting it and then attaching it to the next hair that I have in a rubber band, and taking another rubber band and tying it together just like so. Okay, and then we're gonna do the last one, and yeah, connect it as well. Okay, and then I'll show you the next one. I'm splitting it in 2 like so, using some shining jam, you know, to make sure that it's nice and sleek, using a rubber band. And I didn't do this in this video. But guys, you can go ahead and soak your rubber bands in oil. That way there's no friction and it doesn't pop. Okay, so I'm just doing all 3 like so. And then when I'm done putting them in rubber bands, I'm gonna connect them. Okay, so by connecting them, I'm just twisting the hair. I'm also twisting using the shining jam, and then connecting it with the next rubber banded hair. Okay, and then twisting it and then connecting with the next. You have to make sure that you're not picking up hair from the other section. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and voila, we're done. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna use Eco Styler gel to do the rest of the hair. This hairstyle is really easy, guys. Doing the rest of the hair, and yeah, I've been using my Eco Styler gel. You guys know I live by it. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and twist the other hair that was just, you know, hanging like that. I'll just twist it, and to keep it away, I'll just use bobby pins to secure it for now, because I don't want it to come undone. Alright, and then I'll gather the rest of the hair and put it in a hair tie like so. And then I'll just twist it. And I used the rubber band to secure it. I forgot to remove a bobby pin on the side, but it's not a big deal. I'm gonna use a rubber band to secure that band. And then we are not done, okay? We're gonna go ahead and use a silk scarf and feather laden hairs, okay? To make it slicker than slick. Alright, so this is the hair I'm gonna be using. It's Mali hair, okay? Kinky Mali hair, I believe. I've done so many hairstyles with this hair, okay? So I love this hair. It's cheap, but you can also use it a lot, you know, use it so many times. So I'm not gonna use the whole hair. I just want a little bit because I want my hair to look like a natural band. I don't want to look like I have like you know, a fake band, you know, so I want it to look as much as my hair as possible. So I'm just gonna use this hair tie to put the hair together and attach it to my head. And then I'll just twist it. After I'm done twisting, I'll just wrap it around my bun. And tuck it in and secure it with the bobby pin. Okay, I'm gonna have my scarf on for like 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, all right, so we're back. I went ahead and threw on some lipstick as well, okay, and changed my dress because we're going out for dinner. Anyway, so I'm gonna accessorize the hair, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You can leave it like this and you're good to go. But I decided to do this, and this is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like this video if you liked it. And if you're watching this today, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.